So today guys, I'm going to build this house made of the... God, why is it a stick? Don't worry about my inventory. Don't worry about that. Sketch secret. Who's fun it? Okay, let me find this. Um, right there. Right there. And let's go with it. And let's go it. I don't care about if it just if you're gonna say just bro, just do the stone. Oh my god. I don't care, I just want it to be like this. Whoa, a bunny, I'ma kill it. My god, why did I come here bunny? Oh, but I didn't this first time so go. Because when you have a video for right? Because I just watched a video which is a party. So I just spawn one in. It's pretty easy, just mod. Sometimes my Minecraft is getting glitchy because I didn't even play that much. Like, oh my god, why am I so idiot? Let's replace this one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh my god, why am I so idiot? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We got that 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go, that's pretty easy. So, do you like my Ferrari though? I'm not flexing. I'm just checking it instead. So, why is this kinda dirty? Yeah, this is kinda dirty though. What about this? Let me see the back. I can kinda see the back. How do it disappears? Okay, learn fuel. Report. Can nothing fuel. So let's please like and subscribe. So let's go. This is my first time and okay. So let me see the outside first. Just wait guys. It's just nothing guys. Just right. Holy moly, I just my oh my god. That's freaking 3, not the freaking 2. 1, 2. Okay. Let's go back. This. Wait, I need to go search some doors. Door. Just look fancy more. It's not the door. It's not the door. Why is it? Where is it? What? What's this? Doorbell. It's gonna... Not doormat. I kinda need that too. Kinda. Now we need the doorbell. And just to place it right there. I know it's just a bathroom, but watch until it. Why is this so stupid? This is literally a bathroom. I'm so stupid.
Oh, hindi ako ikaw, oh yan.
Okay na. My toilet. I'm gonna use the normal door. I don't want the pantry door. From the bathroom, I don't want the bathroom one. There you go. Mom is supposed to pick that. Oh wait, I can do this. Let me get the stone. There we go. Right there. Then we need to place it right two of this. Holy moly, it's glitching. But we need this. But I need to two. We need the doorbell right in here. Why does it sound like a freaky shit, bro? Okay, what do I do now? Oh my god, what? Am I fast? I'm gonna wait.
Sino yung tatawag mo? Ikaw, Lee. Sino yung tatawag?
Kasi kaklasmate ko pa rin yun.
Ah, classmate mo pa rin?
Oo, kaklasmate ko pa rin. Hindi na si Tylee.
Hindi siya yun.
Oo, hindi si Tylee. Hindi ko na kaklasmate yun. Pero kaklasmate ko si Kylie.
Malapit na pasukan, Bunso.
Ha?
Malapit na pumasok. Papasok ka na ulit.
Holy moly.
Gigising ka na naman ng maaga.
Nangangati ako sobra.
Paano yung gigising ka na ng maaga?
My god. Why do I stuck? My god. Invincible. Wait. Wait, why do I press that? Oh my god, why am I so stupid? I finally redeemed it right. Holy moly, I did it.
Holy boy.
What the? That's not me! What the? That ain't mine! Bro. What the heck happened? What the heck happened? I'm not even touching anything. What the heck happened? Oh my god, I can't place it. I can place it. Okay, what the heck? Why is it glitchy, bro? Okay, what the heck happened? It's all normal. It's just all normal. Right? I don't know. 2, 3, 4. Uh, I thought that was a happy face, bro. It was my car. It kept despawning when I don't look it. Look, nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's go right in here. Now it should be. What should I grab? I should grab this. First, we need a block like this. Replace it. Now we need a stair to be look like a house, please. Yeah, this mud stair. There we go. First, we need to place this. Place it. Just like this. Okay, good. My God, I messed up. Michelle, nagre-record pa sila. Michelle, nagre-record ako ah. Holy moly, why did I misplace that? Fine. What? Why am I keep placing like this, bro? Finally, can finally do this. Oh my God, it's gonna be hard. Need a block. This, just that. Block, block, block. This. Oh my God, I need to keep doing it. Block, then this. What the heck is that? Okay, I need to replace it. We just, turbo. My goodness, this looks like trash. There we go. This. And I don't know. What should I do next? Like this. I don't care if it looks like a freaking stupid. My goodness, bro. Am I stupid? Like this? I think it wasn't to be like that. This looks stupid as bro. Oh my God, this looks so stupid. Let me just go with this. 2, 3, 4. What's this stupid doing here? What the heck, bro? Now I need to block. Now I need to do nothing. So it look modern. There you go. Okay. What's this stand doing here? Yep, told you. Just block. Oh no. Aichel! Do you like this house? Aichel!
Diba?
Do you like this house? I just built.
I don't know.
Do you like it? Oh, wait. Do you like it?
I don't like because it's ugly. You
Ugly?
know ugly?
Yeah, ugly as hell, like you.
You're so ugly, you know.
You know, you're so
You're
ugly.
ugliest.
You're ugliest. The
I'm
ugliest
ugly.
ever.
I'm ugly, but you're ugliest.
You're the ugliest ever in the world. Yeah, revenge. Revenge! Oh, why do I look like ugly? Why does this look like ugly, bro? What the heck? Now we need more.
Parang ang elepante.
Elefanto, teloloni, patom.
You're elephant. You look like elephant. No?
You look like a chill. Chill, okay, chill.
You like a turtle, you like a frog, and you like a pig, you like many animals like that.
You look like pink. You look like a fake. You know? You know what the meaning?
I don't know.
Like your bum bum.
You like ano?
Oh. Bro, that's way too far. Right there. It looks like ugly as hell. Okay. I didn't finish my house yet though. I should finish it before adding my final details. Yeah, should do it. Last time it's not a house anymore. Last time I built a house with a Peppa Pig, but it's half. I didn't know that because it's way too big. So let's go build. Stupid stairs doing? What's this stupid stairs doing, bro? Go. This little evil, bro. Okay, the stairs. That's not even pantay, bro. It's supposed to be pantay. Like your mama. Your mama. Like your mama. Like your mama. I need a plate block here. Like your mama. Look like a picky. Like a shinny. You know shit. You know shit. Right? You know shit. Oh, you know shit. Pwede mo ba yung shit? Like your mama. Why did I didn't do that? This is trash, bro. Can you please fire me? Just one, please. Was it? There you go. I recover it. Of course, I didn't finish this. I'm gonna build something. Just wait a bit. Just wait a bit. If someone is want to grip me, then fire my house. After she fire that, she will explode. You know it. TNT.
You know where your, ang ingay.
Pangit mo.
Oo, pangit ako. Ikaw?
Ako ay, pangit. Ikaw yung sobrang pangit. Pangit mo naman. Ang pangit na. Pinilis ko talaga yan. Yo, don't join my IP server though. You don't know my IP server. Yeah. You don't know it. You don't know it. If you know it, just go to this server then. You know what? I'm gonna send it. If you wanna join, bro, it's my house. Do not grief or you'll explode. You're actually gonna explode, bro. If it explodes, then I need to rebuild it. Oh my god, don't please. I want it to get. I worked so hard on this, by the way. Like my mama. Oh my god, it's little Scooby, bro. Okay, finally fixed it. Oh, finally. I finally finished it. After years and years. Oh. Now I need to place TNT. Let me switch. TNT. And let me switch. Okay. It sounds okay, bro. Don't hear anything. Kasi sinok ka? Pili mag-sinok ka. Alam mo yung sinok, di ba? Sinok joke. Sinok. Yung joke. Wag na nga. Holy moly, I did it. Let me just build some TNT on the top in case of emergency.
Buti tatang hangin sa akin.
But
Nahilo ko eh. Biglang siningot.
I'm not here. So don't grip my house though. Don't grip it. To burns, bro. Or else
Nahilo ko
you'll
biglang.
explode.
Kanya pa ako nahilo eh. Nakita tayo eh.
I'ma send you the scene. I'ma show you, not on the comment. I finally did it. I finally can. Finally go to my house. Holy moly, it's dark. Get it. More.
Ay, malabo talaga ang mata ko. Wala kayong magagawa.
Wait, where?
Eh, tigil ka lang isa kamay. Para wala, kaya ka nahihirap ng mata mo eh. Tigil ka lang isa kamay. Baka kaya
Oh wait, door.
Oh.
More than.
Ang yung sigmura, yung
Hangin nga, nasigla ako siningog.
hilutin mo yung, hilutin mo yung iyong
It's more.
Para hindi makausap
More than...
Hilutin mo nga. O ba, ang sigmura mo.
Kung bigla.
Wait, it's supposed to exist now. What's the spelling again? I forgot.
Panalo na bang mami ko?
Hindi.
Talo?
Yeah.
Okay. Dahil mo ka sa main, para mo kayo hilo mo lagi.
Talo? Talo ko sa scatter ng mami
No.
ko.
2,000.
Pero kung sa nagdalawin mo lang, depende sa grab ng matan.
Yung talo
Not you guys, I'm
ng
not.
2,000. Tanga, 15,000 yung talo.
Tama.
Kasi burot ka.
Purot.
Oo.
Mudol. Mudol. Oh. Mud. Holy. I think there's light. Oh my god, why is it so laggy? Where's the light? What's this? Ito mo dumingin mo yun. Oh wait, yes. Now let's have a modern mud bed. I don't know where it is. Where's the bed? I want the bed. I want a bed, wanna. Where's the bed? I want the bed.
Uy, so ingay!
Meme.
Gusto ko taba mo.
Oh, it's just a normal bed.
Is it normal? Is it not normal, you know?
It's just a normal bed. It's just me, bro. It's me. It's glitching again. It's not glitching. Just me. I'm just dancing. Okay, let's see. This is it, but let's count. Ooh, this look cool. It is. Holy moly. We can turn out. This is a seat. If you wanna, just click it. And just do that. I need a sofa. Just a green because my favorite is green. Why is this kind of not modern? I just want and want it one. 2. 3, I guess. What the? Can I even? I can see that. Now where should I place it though? Is there any TV? It's modern, so TV. Nope, there's no TV. Television. What's this? Telescope? Wait, can we actually see? Let me go. Let me see. Click it. I don't wanna. Oh my god, I need to get this out. Go to my ship and go. Oh, I don't have nothing. Can we see it? How do I use it? Oh my god, it's so impossible. Is it this? I don't even know how to do this. It said it works. Telescope. What do we do? Another telescope. Let's crouch. I don't see anything. I just see the inside. I can't even have a telescope night bed. Okay. Wait, it's kinda black. There. There we go. Wait, didn't I just mine this? Whoa, I just mined it. Okay. What the heck is that? How to get to the tunnel? First, you need an ender pearl and elytra. Just double jump and just oh my god! I can't even do anything. Can you step? Oh.